this video, we're going to be talking about how to hide archived chats on your WhatsApp. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. And as you can see, all the archived are going to be shown on the top with a different category right here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the U icon on the bottom right of your screen and click on chats. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and turn this toggle off, which says keep chats archived. And then if you head back to chat, let me just go ahead and close it and reopen it. And then your archive section is going to go ahead and disappear. For me, it's not disappearing because I need to simply go ahead and do it again. So it might be a glitch or something. So you can simply go ahead and turn this on and then turn it off again. And that way it's going to simply go ahead and fix it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.